Okay guys, in this video we're going to take a look at creating collections. So collections are kind of groups of products that we can group up in several different ways, but I'm going to show you the easy way, which is using tags. And we can group them up in lots of different ways. Each product can be in more than one collection. For instance, you may have a collection that is all sunsets, and then you may have a collection which is churches. So you might have a church with a beautiful sunset that you want in both, and we just tag it with both. So let's just have a quick look and create a collection, and you can see how it works. So to create a collection, we go to products and collections. Okay, then we're going to go create collection here. We're going to give this a name, so we'll just go with canvas prints. Okay, so any product, and what I'm going to do is open up the products tab here, and we're going to have a look at one of these products. So we can tag these products as we do them. I'll also show you a way of bulk tagging as well, so if you've forgotten about tagging it, there's no problem at all. It hardly takes any time to do that. Here's our tags. So here it's already tagged canvas, and what I'll do is I'll tag this one church as well. So any new tags that you add, it will come up like this, blue. If it's already in here, I don't know if this will work because we already in fact, let's remove this one. If it's already in there, then it will come up here, it will show you, and you just select it like that. Okay, so you can add tags, you can use old tags, you can use multiple tags as well. So let's go ahead and click save, and let's come back to our other tab here with canvas print. So what I'm also going to do is just swipe this product description. Now you could have a much better description here about your products here, but you'll see where this appears on the page. Collection type, automated. So this will, and the other good thing is as well, I might add, say you create a collection that's all canvas prints, then when it's on automated here, in the future, any more you add and tag, they will just automatically get added to this collection. Okay, you can build collections manually, but automated is much easier. Here is where we set up the rules for it. So the product tag is equal to, and then we're going to go canvas. So any product that's tagged canvas is going to be added into this collection now and in the future. Okay, collection image, you're going to want to use a collection image, and I'll show you. Let's just grab this JPEG, hopefully it'll upload quick. Down here again, you've got SEO options if you're going to be optimizing your site for search engine optimization. We'll just let this hurry up and load this image. Okay, while we're waiting for that, let's just go back to products. Now if you want to bulk tag products, you can either select all of the products. You know, soon your store will have tons and tons of products in. Of course, you know, we've only got 4 products here, but you can bulk select, you can go actions, and you can add or remove tags all at once. So once you've got pages and pages of products, you might just want to go through and pick which ones you want. You might want to add a new tag there to create a new collection. Okay, so it's super easy. If you haven't tagged them, or you've forgotten to tag them, or you want to untag, change, anything like that, you can always just come into your products here, all products, and then you can tag them from there. So that image is loaded. Let's hit save. Hopefully that one will allow it. Okay, so let's view this. So we can now see that we have a nice image up here, canvas prints, like a header image. You got this area here where you can add text. Now I just grabbed the text from the product description that I already swiped. Oh no, this was pre-populated from the app, but you could add, you know, a much more in-depth thing about your canvas prints there. But you can see it arranges all these canvas prints down here, and then they can click one and it actually takes them across to the product. We'll back it up there like this. This here, we can change it there. Like, remember we added the one that was church there, so we can change the filters like this. We can go best setting alphabetically, so this is for the user to use. like that. Okay, so you can see this collection has been created. Now we are going to use this collection on our home page, so we're going to start on our home page in a minute, and we're going to use this in drop down menus as well. So they're important to use, they're important to understand, they're pretty easy to get your head around. Just have a go and create one. Use a product tag it to whatever there. You can add more conditions, you can go more deeper into it, like product price. You might want to do everything under £10, or you might have a sale on or something like that. So first of all, I'd start with the product tags, then I would explore with these and just see how these are working. Also here, a better add as well, best selling. You can do it manually, so you can actually order these. So let's just shove this one right down. So at the moment, I started, let's just refresh and see. Hold on, let me just actually get out of this and view it again. So you can see I dragged that one right down to the bottom there. So I can do the same, drag it right up, and then you can make them actually look how you want. Okay, did I not press save? Should do it on the fly. Might just be taking a minute to catch up. Okay, it's not playing the game, it's not playing the game. Okay, it might just be taking a few minutes to catch up, but you can rearrange these manually, okay, and you can have them how you want them. So yeah, I think that's all you need to know on creating collections for now. Best thing to do is go and have a quick crack at doing one, and in the next video we're going to start customizing our homepage and putting all this stuff on a page, so it's going to be much more interesting and you're going to see your website coming together. Okay, thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.